Down goes Frazier. Down goes Frazier.
Where are y'all ready to go?
We're gonna play some more.
Alright, y'all can go.
Hey, get our hand out of the door.
Open the door! Now it's time to go.
Yo, welcome back. It's part 2, man. You officially here. It's your boy Big Rob with the whole fam. Y'all already know if you watch part 1, man, we out here in Bridge at the RV resort. You know what I'm saying? A little splash pad. Appreciate you being here. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Let's go. Straight, Tasha. Don't put that dorky ass hat on right now. It's just only for when you're in the sun.
I'm about to get in the sun.
You about to get in the sun? Okay.
Everybody got their hats on.
Everybody got their hats on.
I just had it too loose.
Oh, I forgot. The hat matched the girl. You coordinated, huh? That's how you coordinate.
Let's go. Come on here. Come on here.
I know you can't tell from the video, but the kids was getting a little chilly. They had some high wind out here. Even though the sun was out, it was cold, man. We put them in the hot tub for a second, but then we just figured, hey, yo, let's take them to the other side of the RV resort where they have a little kiddie playground back there. Let's check that out. They don't have no playground over here for my babies.
You was fighting? No. Your sister was? No. Look. Why this man coming to me and said, yo, Ryan fighting? Now let's see what she gotta say about it. Ryan, who you was fighting? Come here. Who you was fighting? Who you hit? Y'all wanna play some more or y'all ready to go?
We're gonna play some more.
Alright, y'all can go.
Hey, get our hand out of the door.
Open the door. Now it's time to go. Why you? I'm sure they have like a lot of food at the front, guest services.
Bless me, y'all. I just let one rip. That looks about a minute long. But yeah, man, we back at the splash pad with the babies. Just maxing and relaxing out here right now. I don't know where my babies are. There they go over there. What? Ooh. Look at my little baby, aka Monkey. Y'all having a fun time, huh? Yeah. Yes, sir. What is this dude doing? What kind of dance is that? Well, the kids are peeved off because obviously they don't never want to leave nowhere. We headed on home. Oh, I need to be a rapper. And I just had to spin back around so I can look at these here cottages. And they pretty nice on the inside. I just looked at one of the doors open. They got like a bar, like island type deal in the front, peninsula or something. Little loft upstairs. Nice Airbnb opportunity for people that want to come to Plaquemine, Iberville Parish, to do some fishing, or hunting or something. All right, enough of me rambling, man. We headed back home. I'll talk to y'all when we get there. Y'all doing all that screaming, y'all done scared them. Y'all supposed to be like, hey, baby horse. Instead, y'all come over here screaming. Don't touch the fence. Don't touch the fence. Don't touch the fence. They got two of them out there. Come here. For real? How y'all know that? Y'all never seen a baby horse. They got two of them out there, huh?
I see a big one. I can't hit the gun.
All right, y'all want to go back and play by Grandma's house? Y'all go back by the house and play and let the baby horse graze. They just want their peace. Y'all been scared of them. Catch her, RJ, catch her. Run, RJ, run, RJ. Catch her.
Okay.
So you want to come over now? The babies done ran away. What's up? What's up? You eat this stuff? Y'all have a good one. I'm going in. It's hot out here. Beautiful people. I appreciate you for making it to the end of the video. If you're listening to my voice right now, I really appreciate you and I love you, man. You're officially a part of the Guardlife family. Y'all might want to stay tuned for this last video of this trilogy, part 3. We're going to the Baton Rouge Zoo. The kids gonna watch Yogi Bear and Smokey Bear duke it out. I don't think they was really fighting, no, they was playing, man. It was a lot of fun though, man. They renovated the Baton Rouge Zoo a little bit, and it was pretty dope out there, man. So without further ado, use your thumb, man. It's free to hit that like button, the hype button, and even drop a comment or whatever. Subscribe if you haven't, and I love y'all, man. See you in the next video. Peace.